Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to insert smiley in Word. This is pretty simple and easy. In the first method you need to press the window key and semicolon key all together. The emoji panel will open up. Click on this search icon and type smiley. And here you will see 4 different smiley faces. Click to insert. Close it. Select all the faces, go to the home and click on this effects and select the effects which you like most, and here it is. Another way is that you need to put the colon and close the bracket. This will instantly convert to the smiley. Moreover, another classic way is that you need to click on insert, click on the symbol, click on more symbols, and in the font section you need to select the wingdings, and here you need to find it, and here these are the 2 smiley faces. Click insert, close it, and here it is. Moreover, there is another way. You need to hold down the Alt key and press 1 on the numeric side keypad and release the Alt key. This will also insert the smiley. And also press again Alt key and on the numeric side keypad press 2 and release the Alt key. This will insert the black smiley face. So these are the simple way you can easily insert smiley in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.